Building a travel blog is an incredible opportunity to share your adventures and insights with a community of like-minded explorers. With Elementor, you can easily transform your travel stories into captivating and interactive experiences. Not only can you present your content in a visually stunning and engaging manner, but you can also effortlessly capture visitor details for newsletters and exclusive updates, ensuring that your audience remains connected and engaged. When creating any blog, the Elementor Theme Builder is undoubtedly your best friend. With this powerful tool, you can effortlessly create and manage every part of your site. Create essential elements like archive templates to display posts in your categories and tags. Single post templates to ensure consistent designs across all of the posts on your blog. And loop item templates to design your postcards for your blog grids for a unique touch. Creating an archive template with Elementor is remarkably easy. It automatically displays relevant widgets at the top, making the process quick and straightforward. For a unique touch, leverage the Loop Grid widget to design a distinctive grid for your blog posts. This method allows you to position and showcase content exactly how you envision, just like I've done here with the custom field that I've created for the estimated reading time. Enhance user experience further with user-friendly taxonomy filters, enabling visitors to filter posts according to their exact preferences. When it comes to creating the template for the blog posts themselves, Elementor provides even more helpful widgets at the top to help you create an engaging blog layout that keeps your readers hooked until the end. Take advantage of Elementor's built-in dynamic capabilities to creatively showcase custom fields, such as suggested times to visit or personal recommendations from the authors. Need extra control over a specific blog post? Simply open up the post in the Elementor editor and then create the layout that you desire. Launch Elementor AI to assist you in writing the content for your blog post. Add any widget that you like, such as the accordion widget for a helpful frequently asked questions section. Be sure to enable the FAQ schema to give your FAQs the best chance to appear in search results. You can even use the theme builder to create unique layouts for your search results, author pages, categories, and tags. Why display your blog posts in a conventional way at all? Here's a tip. Combine the Hotspot widget with the Loop Carousel widget using a template shortcode. This creates a fun and interactive way to showcase posts which are relevant to visitors' interactions. This innovative approach not only makes your content more engaging, but also enhances user experience by allowing them to explore your posts in a dynamic and visually appealing manner. And finally, no blog is complete without utilizing pop-ups to capture visitor information. Build your newsletter following by placing well-designed and enticing pop-ups throughout your website. Connect them with your favorite newsletter tools and watch your audience grow. Configure conditions tailored to your requirements and parameters such as triggers and advanced rules. Additionally, consider using pop-ups and forms to restrict access to specific blog posts. For example, setting triggers like on-scroll can allow visitors to view a certain percentage of your post, encouraging them to subscribe for full access. Elementor provides you with a powerful, versatile toolkit to create stunning, engaging, and interactive blogs. From custom templates and dynamic widgets to innovative pop-ups and forms, the possibilities are endless. So try Elementor today and transform your blog into a captivating experience for your audience.